What are you celebrating at this time of your life? I ask because there's some stuff going on in the world that's not so great, and I believe we can raise our vibration by focusing on the things that are great. And for sure, if you're watching this video or reading this newsletter or listening to this, you have a long list of things to be grateful for. One of my morning practices is to write things that I'm grateful for in a little notebook. I also do some sketching with that, and I find that it really helps set the tone for the day. So, my invitation for this week is that you practice some gratitude. Or, if you like, reply to this message and let me know one or two things that you're grateful for at this stage of your life. I'd love to know because I think gratitude is like it creates a snowball effect of positivity. And when we hold that within ourselves, that's wonderful. But also, if we share it with a friend or a family member or a loved one, it can get amplified and it can remind the people around us that no matter what's going on in the world, we have so much to be grateful for. At this moment, I also want to wish my incredible, wonderful, brilliant, amazing twin sister, Andrea, happy birthday. Happy birthday, twin. It's a big day this February 6th, and I am just so thrilled and grateful to be with you on this journey of life and to have so much more living and giving to do. And you truly inspire me with what you bring to the world and to our amazing family. So I love you. Thanks for being my twin. And then the final message I have for this brief newsletter today is an announcement that I'm really excited to share. I'm launching something called Human Connection Circles. And the first Human Connection Circle is coming up very soon. In fact, it's coming up on Tuesday afternoon. And so, what is a Human Connection Circle? A Human Connection Circle is a place for people to gather in person to practice presence and play. And this will be a facilitated experience by yours truly. And my vision for these human connection circles is that they can continue after I'm no longer in the room. And so, actually, I have a goal of delivering and creating or starting at least a dozen of these human connection circles, probably in at least three countries this year. And I've created a bit of a model that I think is very easy to duplicate. So if you're interested to learn more about these human connection circles, I will be building a toolkit for other people to just launch one. Basically, it's just an excuse to bring people together in person and to have a little fun, to build a ripple effect of positivity through human connection. So that's my news for today on February 6th, my birthday. And thank you so much for reading along or for listening or for being here. I wish you gratitude and love and joy in this beautiful day that we get to live and breathe and experience together. And maybe I'll see you at the Human Connection Circle. If you're in the Canmore region, send me a note. It's happening at 6 p.m. in Canmore. And reply to this message and I'll give you all the details. Sending you love and light. Boom. Let's go get it, life.